Alright, hello. So today we're looking at the WarehouseWiz dock light. I have one right here. We're going to unpack it. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's packed. The dock light head is surrounded by plenty of foam so that in transit it doesn't get damaged at all. The arm is packed in foam as well. Here you have the product manual, and then taped on the box you'll have the 4 screws that are included with each dock light. Okay, so let's actually take these out and take a look at them. I'll take out this arm first, and then this dock light head, the box over there. Alright, so let's take them out of the plastic so you can see them better. As you can see, this is a 2-part arm, articulating arm. The dock light goes on this end, then this end goes on the wall, and then you can move this arm around freely, right? And then the head itself is also adjustable. I'll show you right now. There's the dock light head right here. This is the back of it. Okay, this is the front. It's the aluminum cage. This is the button, on-off button. And as you can see, this part moves very easily. So you can adjust the head as well. Let's actually plug it in and see how bright it is. We'll plug in this part first into the power source over here. Alright, and these 2 parts, these 2 wires connect to give power to the dock light head.